Hello! Welcome back to my channel! Once again, it's me, Jessica. Today, magluluto tayo ng pepper steak. Ito po yung mga ingredients. 1 red bell pepper. And we're going to chop it into cube size. One green bell pepper. At hiwain lang po natin into cube size again. One medium size yellow onion. Again, hiwain lang natin to. Same ng red bell pepper and green pepper. Paghiwalay-hiwalayin lang natin. At ilalagay lang natin sa isang lalagyan. And then we're going to put it aside muna. At yung small cut ng ginger, hiwain lang po natin ng pinong-pino. Four cloves garlic. Hiwain lang din po natin ng pinong-pino. And 3 pounds beef. Ito yung sirloin steak. At hiwain lang po natin ng manipis na slice. It will melt in our mouth when it's done. And guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit notification bell para maging updated po kayo sa mga bagong videos. Alright, ito ay imamarinate na po natin. We're going to combine the beef with 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons honey, 1/4 cup olive oil, and lastly, the beef cube. Tutunawin lang po natin ang beef cube. Lagyan lang po natin ng kunting mainit na tubig bago po natin i-combine. Like that. At lalagyan lang po natin ng kalahati ng garlic and kalahati ng ginger. At pagalo-aloin lang po natin ng mabuti. And let's marinate it for at least 30 minutes. And while the meat is marinating, let's make the sauce. Okay, let's pour 1/2 cup water, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Let's whisk them together. Now, lulutuin lang po natin yung beef. Let's put 2 tablespoons olive oil on the pan. And we're going to fry the beef until na mag-golden brown yung steak natin. Pabaliktarin lang po natin. Ayan, and it's done. Yung first batch. Lulutuin lang natin yung natira na marinated beef. Guys, ang bango at ang lambot po ng steak natin. Ayan po. Wow, it looks good. Ayan, it's time to cook the sauce and the veggies. Let's put 1 tablespoon olive oil and the rest of the garlic and the ginger. Let's put a pinch of salt and black pepper. And then the veggies. Paghaluin lang po natin, huwag nating i-overcook at nang ma-preserve yung freshness at saka yung kulay ng vegetables natin. Now it's time to add the sauce, yung ginawa natin kanina. Paghaluin lang po natin hanggang sa maging thick na yung sauce. Ito na. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Thick na yung sauce natin, guys. Now, let's combine the steak. Let's stir them up again hanggang sa magsuot na yung lahat ng flavors. O diba, napaka-colorful po dahil hindi natin na-overcook yung vegetables. It really looks and smells delicious. Wow! Look at that! And guys, don't forget to squeeze the lemon para mas lalong sumarap yung pepper steak natin. Okay po, luto na po yung pepper steak natin. At ito transfer lang po natin to sa pinggan. Ayan. Umuusok pa. Alright guys, here's our world's best pepper steak. Thank you for watching. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa recipe natin today. Ito try nyo din po ito. I'm sure magustuhan nito ng family ninyo. Ang sarap po at ang lambot. Grabe, sobra. Alright, see you on my next video. Bye!